Hi guys, Justin here of Figatech, and what we have here is one of Realme's newly launched wireless earphones that's built for fitness and gaming. This Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo is an upgrade from the Realme Buds Wireless, but it's more considered of a toned-down version of the Buds Wireless 2, which we're still not sure if it will be available in the Philippines. Anyways, we're here to focus on the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, so let's check out what's inside the box. And do keep on watching for our first impressions about it. Alright, so we have here a medium-sized box, and as we open it, the first thing we'll see is a smaller box that contains the accessories and manuals. But I want to see the earphones first, so let's flip it. There we go. It still has some resemblance to the Realme Buds Wireless, but I'll share with you guys later on the improvements it got. Onto the smaller box earlier, it contains the manual and warranty, the short USB Type-C cable, and some extra ear tips in 2 different sizes. And that's everything. As you can see, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo has a neckband style grip, just like its predecessor. I rarely use earphones with a neckband because wireless earbuds are simply compact, but upon using this, I got to appreciate its accessibility. It's lightweight at 23.1 grams, so you won't find it as a lug on the neck. And it's IPX4 water resistant too, so some sweat won't be a problem. On the band itself, we can find some subtle left and right indicators. On the right stem are all the buttons, specifically the multi-function button just between the volume keys. You can also find here an LED indicator and the USB Type-C port. There's nothing on the left stem except for an embedded Realme branding. The unit we have is in the black color, but it's also available in green and blue. The actual magnetic in-ear buds are definitely light but don't give a cheap impression. The rubber tips have a touch of Realme's signature yellow, and you can check out the other extra tips in the box to see which fits your ears better. Each earbud has 2 microphones that have an environment noise cancellation feature to reduce background noise during calls. So having its lightweight arc on the neck isn't a bother at all. However, be sure to use the right rubber tip size for your ears so the earbuds won't fall off when you're reaching for the buttons. Yeah, I need to change mine. Oops. Now, pairing the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo to your device is a breeze. Simply proceed by separating the 2 earbuds, then click on the multi-function button for 3 seconds. After that, look for the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo in your Bluetooth list and connect. But as much as pairing the device is fast, its magnetic instant connection is even faster. So whenever you separate the buds apart, they'll immediately connect to your smartphone. Then you can easily turn them off by magnetically clipping them back together. This is very convenient, plus it saves more battery life. If you want to make the most of these wireless earphones, then you can download the Realme Link app that's available for Android devices. The app lets you tweak the sound effect to bright, dynamic, and bass boost plus. Subjectively, we prefer the bass boost plus more often. Other than that, you can also turn on volume enhancer, auto-answer calls, and its game mode that's not to be mistaken as a noise-cancelling feature. There's no noise-cancelling feature here, but the game mode is best used for gaming because it will lower the latency to give you that lag-free experience. The app also allows you to change the button settings to the specific commands you prefer. As for sound quality, the Buds Wireless 2 Neo is equipped with an improved 11.2mm bass boost driver compared to the Realme Buds Wireless. It does have a highly noticeable bass that blends well with the highs and mids, and it can get really loud, so it's very good to use for outdoor activities. Moreover, I didn't experience much latency issues with it. Battery-wise, Realme claims that it can last up to 17 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Plus, a quick 10-minute charge will offer up to 2 hours of music playback. You can charge it, of course, via a USB Type-C charger. So if you're wondering about its price, this Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo has an SRP of 1,490 pesos, which is even more affordable than the first Realme Buds Wireless. You can catch it for a limited time offer of 990 pesos only on July 7 via Realme's official store on Lazada and Shopee. We'll put the links in the description box. And that's it for this video, guys. What do you think about this Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.